Alright everybody, welcome back to another Rebel Ride Along. Oh wait, this isn't a Rebel. This is the 2017 Triumph Bonneville Bobber. Green and silver two-tone. It's a beautiful bike. It's a borrowed bike. We're just using it for an hour, which isn't a long time. So we're just cruising. A little bit of information since the last Rebel Ride Along, and that is I no longer have a Rebel. I've sold it. I sold it to a gentleman in Salt Lake City. His name is Deep. He loves it. I'm happy. I don't have a bike payment anymore. I also don't have a bike to ride, but I don't have a bike payment anymore. And with my move, that's probably a good thing. If you all didn't see my last video, I am moving. I am moving to Price, Utah to attend college for auto mechanics. Now, I already know a lot about auto mechanics, about how things work, about how things don't work, about how they jive together and how they don't jive together. And so I figured, why not do it as a profession? So I'm going to be doing that as a profession. That's the goal. I'm so happy we can split now in Utah. They just passed the law, I think in like May, that we can now lane split. Hello. So I figured I'd have a little fun. Take the Bonneville Bobber out for a little bit of a ride. Tell you guys that I'm moving, tell you that I'm attending school, but I'm glad to be back on a bike. Let's do this. Glad to be back on a bike, even if it's just for an hour. I love this bike. It's fun, it's fast, it's scary. Which is what I like about it. I sold the Rebel. I'm attending school. I bought a Mustang. Man, just a lot's been happening since February. I told my dad to keep it under 55. he says under 55 on the 20-mile-an-hour roads. I was like, yeah. Yeah, see, 55, just like that. I love keeping it under 55. Yeah, thank you, Utah, for passing the law for splitting. And then you get guys like this that just don't give a flying fuck and stay on the left side as far as they can, looking for parking, but that's not a parking spot, that's red. 4, 3, 2, 1, red light. We're gonna get caught at the red again. Ooh, shade. I love shade. Well, happy 4th of July, everybody. Happy 4th of July. Let's go this way. Let's go see my buddy Yazzie. Well, I've been trying to do better on my edits. If you guys have watched my more recent videos, you'll see that I'm taking my time, doing a little bit of narration in there, and trying to make it a little more professional, a little bit better quality video, and I just got a new 4K camera for that as well. So I hope you guys enjoy that. That's why you don't jaywalk. You freaking wind up in the middle of the road, don't know where the fuck you're going. Yeah. I think that's gonna be it for this video. I'm gonna return the bike. It's been an hour. Also, I'm doing 35 and a 25, and that cop didn't turn around, so I'm happy about that. End the video here. See ya.